Are you looking for a to-go container? Let's take a look at this one.
Okay, here is a look at the container. So it's a really good size, very portable, has a really nice seal top, a screw on top, so it's really easy to use. This is microwave safe, BPA-free, dishwasher safe, and it's made of glass. Okay, so really sturdy, lots of room in here. And then you have this like rubber on the outside here that is very comfortable to hold, nice and smooth, and it almost has like a little bit of a grip to it. So opening up the container is going to be helpful with that grip as well. Now, the size of it here, I have 16 ounces of water in this smoothie blender container here. So you can see it's holding a lot of water here. I'm going to show you how much water goes into this. And I thought I would show you the liquid because that's what we want to see. But if you are doing like an overnight oat thing, or if you're doing a salad with a dressing, you're going to want to have a sealed container so the liquid doesn't go out. So you can see all 16 ounces were able to fit, no problem. So it holds a lot. It actually holds a lot. Let's put that lid on. So I filled it up, all 16 ounces were in there, and it is staying in strong. So I feel very confident to put salad dressings and things like that, you know, to be able to put something like an overnight oat in the fridge, and then that way it's ready to go in the morning and you've got this great to-go container. I love the way it looks. It's got a great feeling to it. There's lots of room, and I love that it's made out of glass. Fantastic. I really like this one.